to be three-time U.S. National Aerobatic Champion. With a top speed of over 230 miles per hour. Patty loves to roll the airplane as she goes up on the 45, rolling the airplane to the left. Watch her now as she reaches the top. Gravity's gonna win right here. Zero airspeed, hard left rudder with a hammerhead stall turn. Watch the airplane begin to roll, a quarter roll to the left. She'll head right back down towards show center. As much as she loves to fly, but she has told me time after time she loves it when the airplane is rolling. Rounding out the backside, each pilot will perform an individual brake turn and exit the flight line in a separate direction. The Blue Angel barrel roll brake. At less than 120 miles per hour, the fly-by-wire flight controls provide slow-speed handling second to none. From the right, the section high alpha pass. Team leader calls for the roll now. And the slot position looking only at the team leader's airplane. The team leader is responsible for the heading, the speed, and the altitude of the team. 100 horsepower crank in the engine. And it is from now the team leader calls for the brake turn. Ladies and gentlemen, these are not new spring chicken aircraft. These aircraft were manufactured between 1938 and 1945 in the United States. That means the airplanes that this team is flying are at their youngest 69 years of age and at their oldest 76 years of age. Pounds of weight at this particular configuration. Now, this is the formation barrel roll. It looks easy, but it is difficult because no two throttles will match as they play the width. At times, these husky men from the South have both hands on the control stick. Miles an hour. They cross once on the bottom. They lose sight of it. Across the
top. Now they get sight of one another in contact. The double cross across the top. And once more on the bottom side into the amazing triple cross. Now they'll proceed away. Eyes high and to your right. That's the team leader, Mark Henley from Birmingham, Alabama, and Gene McNeely from Daytona Beach, Florida, come in. Team leader calls for the smoke on now. This maneuver is dedicated to our volunteers that bring the air show stars and the spectators together. It is also dedicated upside down. We'll watch for them to snap roll this big 5,000 pound airplane. Do not look at the airplanes, look at the smoke. The aerosol teams spectators and our volunteers. Give it up for the aerosol team. From Daytona Beach, Florida, following them is Steve Vectren, followed by Brian Reagan. From Lafayette, Louisiana. And ladies and gentlemen, that's what I like about the South. Difficult time in this maneuver while they're upside down, turning and diving. You look for the guy off to your right to change from that finger formation into the back. Look at the airplane on the right, he's on the move, upside down, turning and diving. Gene McNeely for that most difficult maneuver. Oh, the team is on fire today. If you don't think they're proud to be in the birthplace of aviation, you are wrong. And they are much in demand all across the United States of America through the Canadian provinces. And they are brought to you by Rumpke Waste and Recycling here this weekend. All right, let me back in now. Get your cameras ready. This will be the final. You see that tight formation. You see the overlapping wingtips in that technology that is and fall in the Midwest. It's and as the sun begin to see from your height, you watch the summer stars come down. See the shooting stars and the aeroshell team and the direction and a change of speed, all done in a coordinated fashion. And it was a little tough to fledgling World War II combat pilots as a way to be able to use all of your controls and your speed in a coordinated manner to get ready to enter the dogfight arena. It is a coordination maneuver. It can be done wrong, and it can be done right. And to do it right, you've got to master all the things that the team just showed you. Now watch, as the team is upside down, without looking inside, they're going to go find the gear handle. While they're upside down, they're going to pop the gear to the extended position. Two pilots right side up, two landing gears down, three pilots right side up, three landing gears down, but Gene McNeely,
hardcore, down and dirty, hard-charging power aerobatics known to man, which come as a result of Sean's more than $21,000 of combined fixed and wing flight time. As he does the centrifuge across the show line, Sean takes the Oracle Challenger 3 to the left-hand side of the airplane as he climbs toward the sky. Let's watch the airplane rolling. He'll stop the roll. And reversing, down toward the show center, the shoulder rolls. Accelerating now to over 200 miles per hour. Now, as all the forces are trying to throw Sean out of the cockpit, hanging from the straps, the blood flowing into his head, rolls to knife edge and upright. Now he pulls into a loop. At the top of the loop, watch for the airplane to tumble. And and he will recover inverted. The first half positive G, the second half negative G. We call this the Huey Loop.
Here, David, I just gotta say, the three best words in the English language. You got that right? Let's do it together. You know what it is? It's God bless America, baby! To the torque roll. The 2014 class of Every Kid Can Fly. It's Alberto's birthday. This flight's for you guys. I love you guys. Thanks for coming to Dayton. Live your dreams, baby. Hi, Rob. You got it.
Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think of Sean D. Tucker in the Oracle Challenger 3? Now, it's time. Check it. The show line. From the inverted position, he pushes to the outside and demonstrates the world's smallest inside loop. We call this the alley-oop. The triple ribbon cut is performed by no one else on earth. Scooting under the ribbons again. As he does the shoulder rolls on the upline and continues to roll the Oracle Challenger 3.